these PET bottles, the retail outlets and other people who are on the highway who are basically not able to get permissions because of earlier Supreme Court directions, and ते उरल्या जवळजवळ 1332 1332 are yet to commence because of the Supreme Court judgment for which they couldn't. Now what has been done is a 3-member committee has been appointed along with Mr. Vijay Sardesai, Mr. Francis D'Souza and myself to study and put up the report on how and what we need to do based on the Supreme Court further judgment asking the states to identify. आता you are having certain parameters outlined by the Supreme Court, proximity to the municipal areas, or you talk about sufficiently developed areas. Those type of parameters which are there, those particular things need to be looked at. And 1332 कितल्या जाणांक we can give relaxation and find a via media to do it. कित्याक शेवटी सगळे गोंयकार, and we need to support all our fellows so that they can earn their daily bread and butter. ताज्या खातीर the first meeting has been held today. We have asked the Commissioner Excise Amit Satija to provide all the necessary inputs by looking at these particular conditions of laid out by the Supreme Court judgment की कितले जाण खंयच्या कंडिशनान बसतात ते पयले layout करून घे म्हणून. Next Wednesday the meeting has been fixed up again. We are trying to do the process at the earliest so the report can be submitted for due consideration under CSC or cabinet, and decisions can be taken in terms of asking those shops to be opened up after following the procedures as per Supreme Court guidelines. So सगळं maximum कितले जाऊन help करूंक मेळटा, we will ensure that those are helped.
कितले time लागतलो का?
I mean, within 8 days we are sitting back again. So today is Wednesday. Next Wednesday we are sitting again on the same subject. And I think by the next 8 days we should be able to have a finalization of overall कितें करपा येता action, and we can go